Today we are going to discuss the assignment based on thermodynamics. Topic is polytropic process. These questions are based on different thermodynamic process. First question is, in which of following process all three thermodynamic variables, that is pressure, volume and temperature, can change? Given options are isobaric, isothermal, isochoric and adiabatic. Okay, but here what is given? Pressure, volume and temperature. In adiabatic process, first question, in adiabatic process, so pressure, volume and temperature are changes. So adiabatic process is the correct answer. Hope you understood. Okay. So question number 2. The process in which the heat given to the system is completely transformed into work is for an ideal gas. This is given options are isobaric, isometric process, isothermal process, adiabatic process. Completely transformed into work. You know, in isothermal process, temperature is constant. So increase in internal energy du ncv dt. You know, temperature constant, difference in temperature 0. So this du becomes 0. From first law of thermodynamics, dq equal to du plus dw. So heat energy given as du is 0, this totally transformed into work in which process? That is in isothermal process. So answer is isothermal process. Okay. Question number 3. In the free expansion of an ideal gas, its internal energy is. Okay. So actually, question number 3, free expansion means temperature is constant. Understood? So what is the internal energy? You know, the system is at thermal equilibrium with the surroundings due to free expansion of the gas. So as the temperature is constant, the internal energy is constant. Temperature is constant, so internal energy U is constant. U is also constant. So internal energy remains constant. So answer is first option. Okay, right. Question number 4. Fourth question. Diatomic gas at pressure P, volume V is compressed adiabatically to 1/32 times the original volume, then final pressure is. You know, according to adiabatic process, so what is the relation between PV power P1 V1 power gamma equal to P2 V2 power gamma? You know, diatomic gas 1 plus 2 by 5. 5 is degree of freedom, so we get 7 by 5. P1 is P, V power gamma is 7 by 5. P2 we don't have, volume is V by 32 is given. Okay. So whole power 7 by 5. Okay, P V power 7 by 5 is equal to P2 V power 7 by 5 by 32 can be written as 2 power 5 whole power 7 by 5. Hope you understood. This 5 cancel here. V power 7 by 5 cancel. P2 is equal to 2 power 7 into P. So thus P2 equal to 128 P. We are getting the final pressure is 128 P. So now the third option is correct. Answer is 128 P. Okay, right. Okay. Question number 5. An ideal gas of 1 atmosphere and temperature of 27 degrees Celsius is compressed adiabatically until its pressure becomes 8 times. The initial pressure, 8 times the initial pressure. Then the final temperature is. He is asking final temperature given gamma value, that is 3 by 2. So actually initial pressure is given as 1 atmosphere. So it becomes 8 times nothing but that is 8 atmosphere. Pressure becomes 8 atmosphere. Initial temperature is 27 degrees Celsius is given. So that is 273, which means 300 Kelvin. Now what is asking? The final temperature is how much? So what is the relation between temperature and pressure in adiabatic process? That is T1 power gamma, P1 power 1 minus gamma, T2 power gamma into P2 power 1 minus gamma. T1 is 300 whole power. Gamma is given as 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2. P1 is 1 whole power 1 minus 3 by 2. T2 we don't have whole power gamma, that is 3 by 2. P2 is given as 8 atmosphere, that is can be written as 2 cube whole power 1 minus 3 by 2 or 1 minus 3 by 2. You write like this. Next 300 whole power 3 by 2 is equal to 1 power something is 1. So T2 power 3 by 2. This one is 2 power 3. This is what we are getting, minus 1 by 2. So this is minus 3 by 2. 3 into minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Okay, right. 300 whole power 3 by 2 into 2 power 3 by 2 is equal to T2 power 3 by 2. So T2 we are getting here, all the powers are cancelled. You get 600 Kelvin. In degrees Celsius, 600 minus 273. So that is 327 degrees Celsius. So this is the final temperature. 327 degrees Celsius is the answer for this question. So fourth option is correct. Question number 6. Question number 6. The relation between internal energy, pressure and volume for an ideal gas is U equal to 2 plus 3 PV. What is the atomicity of the gas? So the gas is which type of gas we have to find. By finding the gamma is ratio of Cp and Cv. So we can conclude the atomicity of the gas. So given that U is equal to 2 plus 3 PV, you know in adiabatic process dq 0, du plus dw is 0. Differentiation of 2 plus 3 PV plus dw is pdv equal to 0. Differentiation of 2 0, 3 pdv plus 3 vdp plus pdv is equal to 0. So 4 pdv plus 3 vdp is equal to 0. Divide both sides with PV. This one divide both sides with PV. So like this. Pressure cancel here. 4. Take integral dV by V plus volume cancel. Both sides you can take the integral. Apply the integral. So this is integral 0. So 4 log base EV plus 3 log base EP is equal to 0. This one log base E V power 4 into P power 3 is equal to 0. So log base E PV power 4 by 3 is equal to 0, which means PV power 4 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3 is equal to constant. So here in this PV power gamma is 4 by 3, gamma is 4 by 3 in this, gamma is equal to 4 by 3. Since gamma is 4 by 3, so gamma is 4 by 3 in which process, in which type of gas? That is not for monatomic, that is not for diatomic, that is for triatomic or polyatomic. So gamma is 4 by 3 for a polyatomic gas. Okay, right. Question number 7. PV diagram of diatomic gas is straight line passing through origin. What is the molar heat capacity of the gas in the process? Okay. So PV graph is straight line passing through origin, which means P is proportional to V. So P V power minus 1 equal to constant. So as it is compared with the PV power x equal to constant, so x equal to minus 1. You know, this is a polytropy process. In this polytropy process, what is the specific rate? R by gamma minus 1 plus R by 1 minus x. So Cv, this is nothing but Cv. Cv for diatomic gases, that is 5R by 2 plus R by 1 minus of minus 1. So what we are getting, 5R by 2 plus R by 2, 6R by 2. This is we are getting 3R. So answer is 3R. Specific heat, molar heat capacity of the gas is, that is 3R. So 3R is the answer. So third option is correct. So this is question number 7. Next. Question number 8. Here a monoatomic gas undergoes a process given by 3 du, 2 du plus 3 dW is equal to 0. Okay. Then what is the process? You know 2 du is equal to minus 3 dW. dW is minus 2 du by 3. So dW we are getting. What is the process? So to find the process we have to find the gamma value. Okay. Right. Specific heat value. The value of specific heat. So dq is equal to du plus dW is minus 2 du by 3. dq is equal to du by 3. Okay. Sir, dq is equal to du. This is NCV dt by 3. So dq is equal to n by 3. Cv for monoatomic gas, that is 3R by 2 into dt. Okay. 3 cancel here. So dq by n dt, that is R by 2. So this dq by n dt, that is the specific heat. So that is R by 2. So for isothermal, temperature is constant. So that is infinity. Specific heat is infinity. Adiabatic specific heat is 0. Isochoric Cv is 3R by 2 monoatomic. So this is nothing but C equal to R by 2. That is for polytropic process. So answer is polytropic process. Okay. Question number 9. Find the molar heat capacity in a process of diatomic gas. It does a work of Q by 4 when heat capital Q is applied to it. Question number 9. You know from first law of thermodynamics, dq equal to du plus dw. Q du plus dw. Work of Q by 4 is given, du plus Q by 4 work done, du. Q minus Q by 4. So du 3Q by 4. Okay. So see this NCV dt equal to 3 by 4 into Q. N Cv is, this is the diatomic gas. So Cv is 5R by 2 into dt equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4. This is NC dt. Q is nothing but NC dt. So listen, n dt cancel here. 2 cancel nana here. C is equal to 10R by 3. So this molar heat capacity, molar specific heat capacity in this process 10R by 3. So second option is correct. Next, question number 10. Question number 10. Ideal monoatomic gas is taken through a process dq is equal to 2 du. Heat is, what is the molar heat capacity for the process? Molar heat capacity, C. This is dq is nc dt is equal to n 2 into ncv dt. Okay. So n dt cancel here. C is equal to 2 into cv. Monoatomic gas, that is 3R by 2. 2 cancel here. So heat capacity, molar heat capacity, that is nothing but 3R. So for this question, answer is 3R. So heat capacity is equal to 3R. Okay.